It's like the worst smelling trash ever. Don't record me.
Of course.
Change the fact that something got spilled in the oven. Yeah. Well, you knew about that because I freaked out about it. And I tried to do the clean thing and it didn't work. It like smoked out my apartment. I don't remember the exhaust. Oh, you weren't here for that. Okay. I don't remember that. That was scary. It ran for like an hour and I turned it off because I was like about to die from smoke. Okay, I'm about to do something really dumb. Oh, that's not that dumb. Well, the way you're doing it is kind of dumb. It won't come out. You're just throwing water everywhere. I'm not working with water. Flour. What? I put the thing on the floor. Why? I didn't do it on purpose. It fell onto the floor. You just said you put it there, and I was like, why did you put it there? Whatever. So I really hate baking soda boxes because they're impossible to get into. I can help. I don't trust you with powdery things. Let me see. Do it in the sink, please. Like this? Yeah, I was trying to avoid that. Oh, well, that's not possible. Nothing is impossible if you believe. What was that you said? It was mostly together. What I would have done is just stuck it in the little hole. It doesn't fit. There are ways around. A teaspoon in the back. It totally would have fit. No. Salt Sense is real salt, only better. It's healthy for you. Yes. This is the wrong bowl. I came out faster than I thought. Dumped like the entire bottle. Might be. This is sugar and chocolate and vanilla flavoring in equal parts. For real. Oh god, this looks amazing. I bet it would taste amazing. This is too hard. That's what she said. Well, I have a suggestion. What? Don't put your beaters in there. I wouldn't have put my beaters in there. It didn't look like that though. It was mostly liquid. I find that hard to believe. I saw the effect. Can you give me my biggest pan out of there? The big one from down there. What pan? The big ass one from down there. What type of pan? The big cookie pan. Oh. That's what did you think I was gonna make cookies on? What? I was like, I got that it was the big pan. What type of pan? The biggest pan. Sanitize myself. Ow. Too much sanitization. Ow, ow. Ow. What? You don't have any medium water. You just have hot and then cold. I wonder why I'm making cookies. And crack. Yeah, that's true. It's so good. That's what I ate for breakfast. I had crack. Oh wow, that's good. Yeah. Not that hot. Oh, it got hot. I'm telling you! It won't, it'll stay hot. Oh. It didn't? No. Fine, it behaves for me. What? It behaves for me. It doesn't like me because I broke its friends. You broke all of its friends. It spilled stuff all over its friends. And you spill everything, just saying. Just water. I'm pretty sure you spilled something one time and I was like, why? It was water. Mm-hmm. I always spill water. You also spit on stuff. Water! I spit water! Mm-hmm. At least I don't drink like soda. You know? Nothing. It was stuck. You just waste my soap. No, that was only one squirt. I like how I don't even have to say anything anymore. I should make that noise. Oh, it's hot. I quit. I'm pre-sanitizing your dishes. Okay. Yeah, it was like I only got half the squirt. I don't know how that ended up in the sink. You would think it would end up really far away from the sink. I think that's a bonus for me. Because it didn't end up on the floor. It controlled itself. Take your phone. There was nothing good on there. I know. This time sucked. Well, there's